In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a double opt-in for emails in Hubspot. This process is an essential step for anyone looking to enhance their email marketing strategy and ensure compliance with various privacy regulations such as GDPR. A double opt-in not only validates that the email addresses you're collecting are accurate, but also confirms that your recipients genuinely want to hear from you. To begin, head over to the HubSpot homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in hubspot.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, hover over to the top right corner and click on the Login button. Enter your HubSpot credentials to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, just follow the prompts to reset it. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot dashboard, your central hub for navigating the platform. Here, you'll want to look for the Marketing tab. It usually sits in the top navigation bar. Clicking here will present you with a drop-down menu. Select the email option from the list. This section is where you can manage all of your emailing activities within HubSpot. Once you're in the email section, look for the settings gear icon. This is where you adjust your email configuration settings, including subscription preferences. Clicking on settings takes you to a page filled with various options to fine-tune how you handle email communications. Now direct your attention to the left side menu and click on subscriptions. This is an important area where you can manage how people subscribe to your emails, adjust compliance settings, and most critically for today's task, set your double opt-in settings. In the subscriptions menu, you should see an option titled Double Opt-in. Click on this to proceed. The double opt-in page will provide you with several configuration options. This feature serves the purpose of sending a confirmation email to individuals once they have completed a sign-up form, ensuring they truly wish to be added to your email list. Look for the toggle button on this page to enable the double opt-in feature. Once it's toggled on, you have the freedom to customize the confirmation email that each subscriber will receive. Make sure it's welcoming and informative, embodying your brand's voice, and remember to include a clear call to action for confirming the subscription. After making all your adjustments, be sure to save your settings. This ensures that moving forward, anyone signing up to your list will be greeted with a double opt-in confirmation, enhancing your list's quality and helping boost engagement rates with genuine subscribers. And that's it! You've successfully set up a double opt-in process for your email list in HubSpot. This small but significant step is pivotal in maintaining a healthy and engaged email list. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.